this is the beautiful living area with the beautiful interior work done. Platform, the cabinets. Additionally, this is your master bedroom. You can have a look. Living in a Whitefield is great, but living in a space that's actually green and peaceful with lake view is something different experience altogether. This is Prestige Evergreen Park. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and right now we are here on the actual site of our project, and this will be the main entrance of our project, that is Prestige Evergreen Park. And the land parcel starts from here itself and goes up to 24 acres. And the marketing office is just over this side in just 50 meters. Now before moving further, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via this 3D model. And the project is spread across 24 acres of massive land parcel consisting of 14 towers of 2 basement, ground plus 19 floor, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a huge luxury pool. Here's a kids pool as well. Temperature control pool. Library. Cafeteria. Co-working space, kids play area and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Whitefield Worthur Road in Whitefield East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and the main entrance of Prestige Evergreen Park is just behind me over here. And now about the road. So this is the Whitefield Worthur Road, and this road will connect you towards Whitefield, and the opposite side road will take you towards Worthur. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Manipal Hospital in just 1 kilometers. Nexus Whitefield is 1.6 kilometers away, and Hope Farm Metro Station is just 4 kilometers away from the project. So now this is your 3 BHK Royal Model flat, that is 3 BHK plus study room of 2037 square feet, super built up area. And now here's the main entrance of the house. And additionally, they are providing you with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And even for privacy, here's the huge massive foyer area so that your living area and dining area is not visible. And now once you enter through your foyer area, here is your L-shaped living and the dining space, and this is the beautiful living area with a beautiful interior work done for your reference. You can have a look at the sofa set right over here, the decor's done, and the TV unit space right this side. And this living area comes up with the attached balcony. So this is the attached balcony, comes up with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing. And this balcony will be 3-side covered, giving you perfect lakeside view as well. Now about the dining space, and you can have a look over this side. Here's the dining area, the massive dining area where you can easily fit in your 6 to 8 seater of dining table. Now with the easy access, right over this side is the kitchen space. So this is the kitchen area with again beautiful interior done for your reference. You can have a look at the platform, the cabinets. Additionally, here's the sink area as well. Now it has the utility space. So here's the separate utility area with anti-skid flooring, provision for the machine and half wall structured. Now we'll be quickly moving towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1, which is right over here. So you can use this room as your guest bedroom, and you can have a look at the bedroom space. Once you enter, you can have a look over here. This is your beautiful cozy bedroom with the bed space right over here. Here's a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. The TV unit space as well. About the wardrobe, so your wardrobe is right over this side. And additionally, this room comes up with a private washroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and the shower area, which is divided via tile drop to avoid the water spillage, and the sink, which is provided inside itself. Now we'll be moving further towards your next bedroom, and all the remaining bedrooms are over this side. So you have to walk through this passage area, and bedroom number 2 is on my right hand side. So once you step inside this bedroom, you can have a look. This is again the cozy, beautiful bedroom with a bed space right over here. Huge window just behind me, which is provided for ventilation and lighting purpose. The wardrobe space right over this side, and even you can fit in your work table, your TV unit right over this side. Now once you step outside this bedroom with the easy access, here's the common washroom exactly in front. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and again the shower area, which is divided via tile drop. Now about your study room. So let's move further towards your study room, and once you enter, this is not just a study room but a big size room which you can use in a multi-purpose way. They have even fit in the bed right over here. Here's a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can fit in the wardrobe as well right over here, and the study table, which can be fit right this side. Now about the master bedroom. So we'll be moving further towards the master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these beautiful, wonderful features are only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now just follow me, and we'll be moving towards your master bedroom. So this master bedroom comes up with a foyer area for your privacy, so that your bed space is not directly visible. And now, wow, this is your master bedroom. You can have a look. This bedroom is much more spacious, the most spacious room of the house, with a bed in the center of the room right here, and they have provided with a private balcony. So not window but a private balcony. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and you can enjoy a perfect view from the balcony and have a perfect me time. Now, here's your cross window for cross ventilation as well. The wardrobe space right over here. You can even fit in your work table or else your TV unit right exactly this side. Now this bedroom comes up with a private washroom, which is over here. The master washroom is right this side. Again comes up with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and shower area, which is divided via tile drop. So now, as you all know, we are here at Prestige Group's project. Have you checked another project with Prestige Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.